Hey guys, if you love a bit of Americana, you'll be excited to learn how to reference Harvard style for your next paper. Don't panic, let us explain how. Ivory Research prepared the only step-by-step guide you will need to learn this style quickly and, more importantly, correctly. You've done the right thing by choosing Ivory Research to help your further academic career. So, from personal statements to CVs, and not forgetting the all-important essays and dissertations, Ivory Research can help you with your academic journey at every step of the way. Hop on over to ivoryresearch.com if you are tight on time, where you'll find comprehensive information on this and lots more with our complete student assistant program. Now, I was joking about the Americana earlier. Harvard style is slightly different, but at first it can make reading your work a lot easier. Are you ready? Come on, let's go. Harvard referencing is all about two variations of citations. In-text citations. These are found in the main body of your paper and contain a fraction of the full bibliographical information. Your reference lists, which are located at the end of the main work and list full information for all sources mentioned in your paper. You can cite a source within your paper in two ways with Harvard. Directly, for example, quoting verbatim from it. When you are quoting a source directly, page numbers should be used. Or indirectly, which is citing a source to show that you have used an author's ideas, but not directly quoted them. If you are quoting indirectly, page numbers do not need to be used. In both cases, where the page number is not available, the paragraph number can be used instead. If there isn't a page number, you can use these abbreviations, N.P or N.Pag. to show this. So, how do you cite the citations? Well, it goes a little like this. For a book, it goes like last name, first initial, year in brackets, title, full stop, edition, full stop, city of publication, colon, publisher. It really is as simple as that. For the other variations of referencing for multiple authors and journals, please pause the video now and make sure you take note of them. For an internet source, it's slightly different. When you are citing a website, you need to find who the website belongs to. If you are citing an article on the website that isn't a newspaper, magazine, or online journal, there may be a separate author that needs crediting. It is written like this: author source, if no specific author, year in brackets, title of web document page, full stop, then the word online, then a full stop. In brackets, you will need to reference when it was last updated, if this is available, full stop. Then you need to write the full email address as available at, then the URL. Finally, the date you accessed it should be in squared brackets as day, month, year. Don't forget to create a separate reference page at the end of your document. Your reference page will come at the end and will include all of your sources. For ease, be sure to copy and paste the entries from your in-text citations as you go along, but the presentation of the author's names will need to be listed differently and alphabetically. And that's that. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the subscribe button. If you need help with referencing and would like the professional academic to review it, make sure to place an order at ivoryresearch.com to get the best assistance. Thank you for watching the video and good luck. Now, are you ready for the next referencing style?